Silver and gold vanish away, but a good education will never decay.
A childhood saying with a real meaning for the Alpart Community Council and Gisco Alpart Bauxite Company. The reason they say they continue to give back this initiative to sponsor students in Manchester and St. Elizabeth every year. 8 years of work, over 1,200 students benefiting from this year alone. Grants and scholarships worth $7.3 million.
We believe that there can be no better investment than investing in the development of the human capital of our communities.
The program focuses on students whose grades average 90% and over, students at all educational levels. The chairman of the Alpart Community Council says the program continued even when the plant was closed.
Although we are a non-profit organization, any excess over expenses, we plow it back into the communities around the plant in different projects. And this one is our flagship project.
There were testimonials from past beneficiaries.
I have always dreamt of attending Hampton School, and since being named as one of the recipients of the scholarship, my dream has finally become a reality. Your generosity has allowed me to be one step closer to my goal, which is to become a medical doctor.
Because of Alpart, I was able to finish my studies, and I graduated with first-class honors in diagnostic imaging radiology.
This has a great mean of easing our financial burden as we are farmers, and the drought at times cause us the produce to be less. So today, I join with the other parents whose children have also received scholarship in saying a heartfelt thank you to the Alpart Community Council and its partners.
The latest recipients were encouraged to make good use of the sponsorship. I am Kirk Wright for Ray of Hope.
A ray of hope.